The Philodendron hope selloum, Philodendron bipinnatifidum, recently reclassified Thomatophyllum bipinnatifidum, or the tree philodendron, is a hardy native of the tropical regions of South America. In the correct conditions, their deeply lobed leaves can grow up to almost 5 feet, but indoors they can still give an immensely tropical feel to any room. Philodendron selloum takes up a lot of space. It could grow to a canopy of 5 foot wide or more with 2 feet-3 feet leaves. A selloum does grow a trunk as it matures, but the huge drooping leaves usually hide it. How to take care of this plant? If you want to control my size or shape, use pruners or scissors with a sharp, clean blade. You can remove entire leaves by cutting them off at the base of the leaf stem. You can remove the lower leaves if you want to reveal the plant stem. Wear gloves and wash your hands and tools when finished. You don't want to get the sap in your eyes or mouth. The leaves may be sick and eventually rot and die. The best way to prevent this sickness is to keep the leaves dry at all times, avoid overhead watering, and immediately remove any infected leaves. If the leaves turning brown and curling at the tips, it may have too much salt in the soil, usually from too much plant food or from using water that has passed through a water softener. You can make sure to dilute your plant food to 1 to the recommended strength and never use water for any houseplants that has passed through a water softener. Drench the soil with some distilled water and feed less often. If the leaves turning pale green, the plant needs more fertilizer, or if the plant is getting too much bright light, you can try moving to an area where rays of sun will not hit the leaves directly. Remember, Philodendron selloum is a very poisonous houseplant with a level number 3 toxicity. It is not recommended to have pets around this plant. This plant contains insoluble calcium oxalate crystals similar to other plants in the Araceae family. Chewing or biting into this plant will release these crystals, causing tissue penetration and irritation in the mouth and GI tract. Very rarely, swelling of the upper airway occurs, making it difficult to breathe.